What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. But today we'll be learning about the body of the HTML. So one of the key HTML elements that we use to build the website or the web page is the body element. Only content inside the opening and closing body tags can be displayed to the screen. Here's what opening and closing body tags look like. So body and then body with the slash right there. Once the file has a body, many different types of content including text, images, buttons can be added to the body. For example, we'll do body and have a little paragraph tag that says what's up doc and then a closing body tag. So add a body to your web page using the body elements. So I'll simply type body and we'll do body. Okay, now add the following code in between your closing and your opening and closing body tags. This life is very short, and what we have to do must be done in the now. Audrey Lorde. So, while some browsers may render some content outside of body tags as well to accommodate the occasional mistake in your HTML, not all browsers do this. The best way to ensure that all of your HTML renders the same way in all browsers is to use the opening and closing body tags. So whatever we have has to go inside of the body tags essentially. Okay, next. So in the next video, we'll be learning about the HTML structure. But for now, that's going to end it right here, and I'll see you in the next one.